Are you like me and you're wanting a green screen that's not going to break the bank? You want something cheap and easy to do without spending a lot of money? Well, let's find out more in this video. Okay. I get what you're thinking. You're gonna say, how can you get a good quality green screen without spending a lot of money? Well, I've done some research, and apparently you just need two things. You need a primer, and then you need a really bright colored green. It can't just be any green though. It has to be something that stands out compared to skin tones, and it's got to be of a pigment that's not necessarily mixed with a lot of yellow and other colors that chroma keying software tends to pick up on. It's Krylon fluorescent special purpose, it might be overexposed, spray paint. I'll probably leave a link in the description. I'm not sponsored, so this specific can cost me around $3.74, and I think this one cost about the same, the primer. So I guess around $8 in terms of spray paint. Now, the only issue is the material as which to spray your paint on and then hanging up. So you can use a solid material, or you can get something that's kind of soft. That way you can make a flexible green screen. I'm opting in for a flexible material so that way I can move it around and don't have to change my room up. So, you know, at the end of this video, I'll definitely show you how the green screen is going to perform, especially with keying up my background and getting rid of this ugly thing. So, yeah, I'm going to do a time lapse of me spraying this material. This is up to you, so it might cost you a little more depending on what you want to spend it on. You know, for me, this is rubber. It's kind of like what they use for housing material, and it's very tough, and I can spray things on it and it's going to keep its shape, and it's not going to crack the paint because it's kind of made for this stuff. So you can use cardboard or something really flat to do the same effect, and you could probably save even more money. So all in all, I'm going to give this about $20 to get you up and running with a portable usable green screen. All right, let's get to the time lapse, man. Well, here we are. I skipped off a lot of the time lapse because I kind of fucked up, but it took a lot more coats than I thought it would. This started out light baby blue. So I have not tested the green screen yet, but I'm gonna do it. My hands are green. This shit's gnarly, man. Like, I really recommend you wear a protective for your mouth. It got everywhere all in my room, but hey, live and learn. I'm gonna test it right now and see if I can key out my background and see if it actually does what I thought it was going to do. Let's see. There's always improvements to be made on this green screen, but it seems like it's working. I am very impressed. I only spent, for my own total, I only spent about think around $8. The material I'm using I got for free, so it depends. So I'm gonna say maybe add another $5 to find something to spray on. So this actually saved me a lot of money. There's always improvements to be made on this. Leave a like if this tutorial at all helped you. This is my first time ever making a tutorial legit, like trying my best. So I am actually impressed that I actually was able to save a lot of money on the green screen. It keys out fine. The better camera I have, the more it's going to key out even better, so your mileage may vary. Leave a like in this video if this helped you, subscribe if you want more, and thanks for watching, guys. My name's Astro Sky. See you next time.